Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad K Sangma ulapan bena bagi pulit kilayo ban kem yawe ubriu halor ka jengkeno ba uladon keti banbu yu ubam hakmat kaslem trekam kaseng NPP Hashalong Henry Konrad chamnaya thu benia halor kata ka jing syakem laban kedau bah ka sau tere urisa war hajar arpawe lalap yu we ubam balathep hakapla yau balabu akmat kaslem trekam ka NPP halor kani kaseng HNLC klasem ya ka jengket clear.
Yes, there has been one arrest that has been made, and interrogation is on, and the concerned person has already admitted that he was the one who had placed the bomb here. And through that, more investigation is taking place. I will not be able to share details with you right now. At the same time, there are another few people, individuals, involved in not just this, but last bombing also. They have also been traced, and you will get more updates as the day proceeds. So maybe towards the evening, I will give you more details on that aspect. But I can inform you that the individual who had placed the bomb here has been arrested and interrogation is on, and we are going to get more leads through him. At the same time, as I said, some more developments will take place towards the evening in terms of others who are involved in this particular incident.
So just to add to this, there's a fear that is looming large among the public considering all of this development. So how do you see the law and order situation overall? What
Law and order situation is fine. This was a very isolated incident that happened. Of course, we're not undermining the seriousness of it. It is a serious matter and serious breach, and therefore definitely the police department and all will do everything in their capacity to ensure that, number one, the people responsible are caught, and also to ensure that these kind of incidents don't happen in the future. But overall, the law and order situation is very normal, and we will ensure that in the future we will do every step that is required to ensure that such incidents don't happen. And as I mentioned, in this regards, already concerned people have been arrested. At the same time, more developments will take place towards the evening, which I will give you.